the three bodies. So when we look at connecting to the physical vital field, we want to hang our joints to the lowest possible position, hang the muscles, open the stretch, and send vital energy out underneath our partner's space. So it's very body mechanical. You can have as much pressure on your body as you want, so the person can drop their whole body weight. You want to stimulate fascia, and this connects you to the physical center and the vital. As soon as you start going to the astral, we slow the energy down, and instead of having my elbows down, I want to suspend my elbow and work with the feeling of the astral. It's a lighter bridge, it's much more spongy. Imagine taking a kitchen sponge and putting it between you and your partner, and you never let that sponge fully compress. You want to keep it relatively soft. And the first transformation exercise where you do the 4-cycle breath and tuning the breath, that thick astral feeling, you don't want to hang your joints, because the moment you hang your joints down, you're going to go to the vital mechanical. When you suspend and float your joints, then you'll be much more buoyant in the astral feeling quality. And a lot of the Tai Chi classics are talking about the astral feeling quality in their descriptions. And then when you go to the mental body, you access that through the balance. So mechanically, you want to touch on top and then pick the balance up and feel the center of balance of the connection between the mind, the energy, and the body, and work with the mental body. So we're connecting the three bodies: the mental, the astral, and the vital. So this exercise, I want you to separate each one from a mechanical perspective, from the feeling perspective, and then the mental body, picking it up and lifting it. It's very difficult to lift the mental body mechanically. So let's say if I was to mechanically go, this is the way you come underneath, everything hangs and you don't really get the mental. The direction I would take the mental body, if my hands are under, is down. If my hands are on top, it's much easier to take it up. So you're lifting and pulling the balance out with the hand mechanically. Okay, so separate the three bodies, get a sense of each one. And once you've done this, now you've got the tools to be able to dig deeper and develop more skill. So let's say he's got the fists, and I touch the base. I go, okay, vital, astral, mental, and then I go vital, astral, and mental together, and I get fuel from the vital mechanical, I get fuel from the astral hydraulic bubble, and I get fuel from the mental. And as you connect all three, you'll get a sense of he's more responsive to the mental, or he's more responsive to the astral, more to the physical. So you take all these three connections, you drive it to the place the person's most responsive. People who have a naturally open mental space are going to be much more susceptible to the mental body. People who are very construction worker, wrestler types, very physically active, you most probably have to go through the physical body because their mental space is so contained in a small space. You'll go through the vital field and the mechanical to get them open to work with the astral and mental. So you basically always want to pick the low-hanging fruit, whatever's easiest. So identify the three bodies and then connect each one together to create the effect, and just let your awareness navigate to, I'm going to go more vital, I'll go more astral, go more mental. Because all you guys already know the three bodies so well, you're relatively balanced between the three in access and in influence. But you're going to find that there'll be, when you're training with beginners who haven't learned to open the mental space, or haven't learned about the astral and the physical, there'll always be one which will shine a bit more. That one's easy to work with. And this sensitivity to know what to work with the person the moment you touch them is what we want to develop from this exercise. Okay, partner up, have a play. Thank you.